Hello students, welcome to St. Paul's Digital Classes. Today I will teach you small cursive A to Z in English. Small A to Z. Earlier you have learned capital A to Z. How to write capital A to Z in lines, 4 lines. Now I will teach you small A to Z. A to Z. You have learned A to E in previous class, nursery. But in this class, you will learn A to Z whole in these lines. How to write in these 4 lines. Okay. Now start with A. Make a little slanting line. Make a half curve. One standing line. A little curve here. It will come only in 2 lines. Now B. Start from the third line. Little slanting line, little loop, and come to the last line. Come upper side and little loop here. A, B. Now come on C. Little slanting line and half curve. Now this is C. Now D. Little slanting line, half curve like C. One standing line and little curve here. C, D. Now E. Little slanting line in 2 lines only. A short slanting line. Little loop and come to the last line. Then come little up. Now this is E. A, B, C, D, E. Now start with F. Now this is new for you, because you have learned A, B, C, D, E in previous class. So now start with F. One slanting line, go to the first line. Now one standing line, come to the last line. Then little loop here. Come upper side and this. This is F. A, B, C, D, E, F. Now G. Short standing line, half curve, standing line till the last line. It will come in next 3 lines, last 3 lines. Little loop and come to upper side. Now this is G. Come on, next one, H. Start from here, third line. One slanting line, here little loop and come to the third line. Now here standing line, sleeping line. Little sleeping line, then standing line and little loop here. Curve. This is curve. Now I. Little slanting line, now come on standing line, a little curve here and one point. Now this is I. Now come on J, little slanting line, one standing line, one loop and one dot. Now this is J. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Now come on K. Little slanting line from the third line to upper side to the first line. Now one standing line, little curve and one short slanting line in the opposite side. Now this is K. Now start with L. Little slanting line and here loop. Now come on third line and little curve here. So K, L. Now come on M. Okay. One curve and one standing line. Now one more curve and standing line. Now one more curve and a standing line and little curve here. So this is M. Only in 2 lines. M will come only in 2 lines. We will write here in 2 lines. Now come on N. Little curve here. One little standing line one more curve and one standing line, and here little curve. So this is N. Here two curves and here only one curve. So this is N. Now come on O. Start from here, slanting line, one little circle. This is O. K, L, M, N, O. Now come on P. It will come on 4 lines, whole 4 lines. Start from here, third line. Make a little slanting line, one loop, and come on last line. And here we will make a half circle. So this is P. This is P. P and F we'll make F and P in whole 4 lines. Now Q. Start from here, little slanting line, half curve, one slanting line here also till the last line. Now start from here. Now this is Q. This is Q. P, Q. Now come on R. New word R. Start from here, second line, little slanting line, a loop here, sleeping line, one standing line and a curve. This is R. Now next one S. Little slanting line, a loop here, a little curve here. This is S. R and S will make only, these are only in 2 lines. Now start from here, third line, one slanting line, one more standing line and a little curve here and one cut, one sleeping line we can say here. This is T, S, T. Now U. Little slanting line, it will also come in 2 lines only. So one standing line, little sleeping line, standing line again, and little curve. This is U. Now come on V. One slanting line in 2 lines only. One short slanting line in opposite side. One more slanting line in opposite side. Now little loop. Now this is V. It will also come in 2 lines only. Now W. Start from here, little slanting line, one standing line, sleeping line, half standing line, again standing line, sleeping line, standing line and a little loop. Now this is W. Now come on X. Half circle in opposite side and half circle on this side. So these 2 half circle makes X. After X we will make Y. So half slanting line like U, we will make here U. Again one standing line, one sleeping line and one more standing line. Now one more standing line, come to the last line. Now little loop and ends here. So this is Y. U, V, W, X, Y. Now last letter Z. Start from here. Now little curve, half curve. Now one more half curve till the last line. Little loop and ends here. So this is Z. Now these are whole cursive letters. So you must practice these letters in your notebook at your home. So now that's all for today's video. In the next video some more new things will be there. Till then, stay home, stay safe.